Alright, check it out guys. This is a 2012 Nissan Juke in here in the shop today. It's a nice, cool, rainy night. And I just finished up installing these headlights that I built previously. They are a MD2S projector retrofit with the Panamera switchback shrouds. Got a little ByThirteen lens etching in there. We're running the 35 watt Morimoto ballast on this bad boy. And I will demonstrate to you what we got to look at. Alright, so this is going to be our running light mode, which as you can see is silly bright, but if I get up nice and close on it, you will see the Panamera shroud doing its magic. It's got like those 4 predominant dots, but also a little halo that goes around it. Also replaced out the bulbs up here with the Morimoto, and as well as these are going to be the profile ambers, so that we can match everything together with LED power. And this is our turn signal going on. As you can see, the Panamera switchback does its magic up there, as well as an LED bulb up there. And it matches and it looks good. Alright, so I just turned on the headlights. As you can see, we also have the Morimoto XB LED fog lights down there. But these headlights are excellently bright. Currently they are aimed really low. I need to drive it around tonight and actually dial it in, but as I said, it's kind of raining, so I'm just going to wait until that goes away a little bit. But it's going to have some beautiful lighting performance. And finally, for a little bit of flash, we have the Diode Dynamics Demonize paired with the Multiply. So we've got the blue, as we can fade it around a little bit, and we'll get over into the red areas, into the orange, the yellow, the green, back to the cyan, over to blue. Also has pure white. This is all running off of the Diode Dynamics Bluetooth controller, and when I turn it off, it'll fade off. Beautiful. That's it for this install. This is 13 with Superior Mobile ByThirteen. Thank you so much for watching, and have yourselves a Juke-tastic night. See ya!